I'm back. As you may know, if you watched it, my first video was pretty bad, right, Eva? She's just appalled. I have come up with a list of things that went wrong. And the first one I've already fixed, which was that I was filming sitting on the floor in front of my bed. Big mess behind me. Now I just have my closet behind me. The door's closed so you can't see my messy closet. Another thing that went wrong for my first video was that I had bad sound. Like, I sound like I have a lisp. I know it's still there because I don't have a better camera. The other thing also having to do with sound was that I didn't have music in the background, so it was just me talking awkwardly. I don't know if I'm going to be able to add music for this one. It would be much easier to watch if there was music in the background. The other thing is that it was just really awkward in general. I didn't know what I was saying. I don't know if other YouTubers write out a script of things. I actually have a list in front of me here, so I don't run out of things to say. I also have moral support. Yeah. I was just not being myself. I know this YouTube thing is going to be a way for me to let out whatever I can't let out in front of people. Maybe some of my friends are going to find these. I've been myself around them so much. I don't know, it's hard to be myself when there's no one else here. Like kicking my tummy. Are you purring? Oh, another thing that I did was that I kept, at one point in the video, I kept going like. I hope that's not how I talk in real life. The last and final worst thing that happened in the first video was that I did the face. Yeah, that face. I'm gonna try not to do that again. That was weird. Hey Eva, can you say bye? Bye.